Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a quiz on WH questions. If you haven't watched the part 1, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. Dash is standing near the school gate. The correct option is A. Who? Who is standing near the school gate? Question 2. Dash are you laughing at? The correct option is D. Who? Who are you laughing at? Question 3. Dash time does the movie start tonight? The correct option is B. What? What time does the movie start tonight? Question 4. Dash made this delicious cake. The correct option is C. Who? Who made this delicious cake? Question 5. Dash is your favorite sport, football or basketball? The correct option is B. Which? Which is your favorite sport, football or basketball? Question 6. Dash, are you looking so tired today? The correct option is A. Why? Why are you looking so tired today? Question 7. Dash, did you go during your summer vacation? The correct option is A. Where? Where did you go during your summer vacation? Question 8. Dash is calling you right now. The correct option is D. Who? Who is calling you right now? Question 9. Dash shoes are lying near the door. The correct option is B. Whose? Whose shoes are lying near the door? Question 10. Dash did you give the gift to at the party? The correct option is C. Whom? Whom did you give the gift to at the party? Question 11. Dash, are you so late for class? The correct option is B. Why? Why are you so late for class? Question 12. Dash teaches you science at school. The correct option is A. Who? Who teaches you science at school? Question 13. Dash book are you reading these days? The correct option is A. Which? Which book are you reading these days? Question 14. Dash are we supposed to meet the principal? The correct option is D. When? When are we supposed to meet the principal? Question 15. Dash helps you with your homework. The correct option is B. Who? Who helps you with your homework? Question 16. Dash color suits me better. Blue or black? The correct option is C. Which? Which color suits me better? Blue or black? Question 17. Dash do you usually travel to school? The correct option is B. How? How do you usually travel to school? Question 18. Dash is your little brother crying? The correct option is A. Why? Why is your little brother crying? Question 19. Dash class do you have right after English? The correct option is A. Which? Which class do you have right after English? Question 20. Dash is your best friend in this picture? The correct option is D. Who? Who is your best friend in this picture? Question 21. Dash are you waiting for outside? The correct option is B. Who? Who are you waiting for outside? Question 22. Dash did you eat for breakfast this morning? The correct option is C. What? What did you eat for breakfast this morning? Question 23. Dash side of the road should we drive on in the UK? The correct option is B. Which? Which side of the road should we drive on in the UK? Question 24. Dash do you plan to celebrate your birthday this year? The correct option is A. Where? Where do you plan to celebrate your birthday this year? Question 25. Dash can I borrow your dictionary? The correct option is C. When? When can I borrow your dictionary? That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.